Right. I've decided to start making more project videos, and before I can actually start making more project videos, I'm gonna need to clean my workspace. If you haven't seen my office before, this is my office, and it is full of garbage and junk all over the floor, and I really won't be able to work very well when there's all kinds of junk everywhere. So clean your workspace, clean your mind, and then we can get to work. Oh, the dogs are telling me it's time for cookies. Time for cookies. That'll do it for this video. It's very good to have a clean workspace again. I'm really excited to start making some more videos, start working on some new projects. I will see you guys next time.